Top 10 countries with the best missile technology. Number 10. North Korea. It succeeded in the making of Scud-B ballistic missile with the range of 300 km in the year 1984. After the success, the country also made the Scud-C with the range of 500 km and Scud-D with the range of 800 km. Number 9. Iran. Shihab-3 with the range of nearly 1,300 km is also developed, and it is said that Shihab-4 is under process of development. Shihab-3 was tested in the year 2004, which was said as successful. Number 8. Pakistan. Qureya Missile 2 is under the process of development, which is said will come with the range of 2,300 km. Other than that, Shaheen Missile 2 is also said as under development. Number 7. Israel. Jericho-1 created by the country with the range of 500 km, which is set as short range, and after that the country created Jericho-2 in the year 1970, as it has the support of America. The missile has the range of almost 1,800 km. Number 6. India. Prithvi-1 and Prithvi-2 were developed by the country in an effort to save the country in war. Other than that, it also created Agni-1 with the range of 700 km and Agni-2 with the range of 2,500 km. Number 5. United Kingdom. In the year 1952, the country tested its first missile, and its first hydrogen bomb was tested in the year 1957, which is known with the name of Operation Grapple. Number 4. China. The country created Dongfeng 5A with the range of 13,000 km, and the missile is the replacement of DF-5A ICBM. Dongfeng 3-1A with the range of 11,200 km is also developed by the country to make the country secure from the enemy attack and to reply back with great force in the war. Number 3. France. The first nuclear power was tested by the country in the year 1960. Then in the year 1968, the bomb was tested. M51 was developed with the range of 10,000 km, and the development of missile technology is to gain the status of strong country. Number 2. USA. The Minuteman III is developed with the range of 10,000 km, and it can travel at high rate of speed that is almost 15,000 miles per hour, which makes it the strongest missile. Number 1. Russia. This country is known and famous as the strongest nuclear power that contains the best missile technology, and no any other country can compete with it, as it has Rs-24 with the range of 10,500 km.